you getting mad at that turtle? Are you getting mad at him? What's today? November 10th. November 10th. And that's what you look like on this day. Hey, babies. What are you doing? Oh, yeah, look at that face. That's a cute face. He's getting little lines in his nose from making that face. Oh, I'm crazy here. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, no, say hi. I am, he says. Is that hi? Yeah. Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Can't do much in a car seat, hey? Yeah. Little squealy. Silly guy. All right. This is long enough, probably, hey? Say bye. Can you say bye? Yeah. Say bye-bye. Yeah, you still do that. All right. See you later. Bye.